This is the scene in the Presrve on Tuesday morning, way up south. A backhoe is plowing, grading a new path that will run along the east side of the Presrve, joining the paved part of the trail, I believe at Chillon, the rest stop on Chillon. It comes down Montezuma, and at Nogales it heads inward into the wash, the Presrve, and down through the center, and it joins the paved trail right about at the rest stop. It's going to have a decomposed granite surface. I assume something a little different than what it is right now. And it's made not only to make a circle if you're taking a walk, but to enable people who are pedestrians on Montezuma to have a safer walk inside the fence, and yet being able to walk basically along the street. So this is the beginning of the project that the city is undertaking, and I'm sure it will enhance everyone's use of this very special area. So keep your eye on this project.